Hey guys, it's Daniel from the Truck Insurance Channel, and today I'm going to talk about the new Motive card. Okay, we just got ours in the mail. I applied last Monday and it came in the mail yesterday, Friday. So 5 days from approval to delivery. That's pretty quick. Application's super easy. We've got a link below. We're one of the exclusive Motive card affiliates. So yes, we get paid if you set up your account with them, but you know, if you've watched anything else on our channel, we really only push products and services that we've gotten a lot of reviews on, had firsthand experience, and things we kind of know and trust. So, you know, I'm not just over here like, you know, they sent me some swag. That's cool. I love these guys. Their ELDs are great. And they've got a lot of other stuff too. They're continuing to grow, and we've had a great partnership with them. So I highly recommend them. But anyways, just wanted to give you a little disclosure. If you've also watched any of our videos, you know we rep RTS. So RTS for freight factoring and fuel cards. This is really good, especially if you're getting into the business, right? As you grow, you'll learn there's different networks for each card, right? There's not just one card that's got the best thing for every single gas station out there. There's different networks of fuel stations, right? So if you're new, it's something to research. We like RTS because they've got a really good network, they've got some good discounts, and then as you grow, they've got even more options. Really, really best of the industry options, right? The Motive card is literally a business credit card, right? It's got some fuel discounts, and then it's got other kinds of savings. But more importantly, it's one, a trade line if you're new, you're trying to build business credit, and two, expense management, especially if you have a fleet and you're growing, right? This makes it a lot easier to deal with employees or drivers, contract drivers, whatever you got. So, all of that to be said, application is super easy, very quick, and then it's built right into your Motive dashboard, or Keep Truckin' formerly, right? Everybody still calls it Keep Truckin', but it's so nice because it's built right into the dashboard where you're already going to see your trucks, your drivers, put in all that info. And guys, I'm all about software and the experience of the software, the way you interact with it. If it's clunky, if it doesn't make sense, if everything's like a hassle to go navigate, that's no good. Motive has some of the best software out there for transportation, right? When it comes to ELDs and all the other types of services they do. And now they've literally got this Motive card built right into it. So super easy to see like all your expenses, and I'm gonna go over that on the dashboard, part of the activation process here in a second, so you'll see what it actually looks like. And it'll be going to my drivers here. I'll probably mail them out Monday. So next up, the dashboard. Here in the Motive dashboard, just where you normally come in, like see your fleet view, go through all your other little side tabs here, you've got the cards section once you apply and get approved, right? And then you need to get your cards activated. So you can come over here and click on Get Started. Come over here and click Activate Now. You'll type in the last 4 digits of each card number and assign a card holder. The card holder should be one of your drivers that you've already got entered into your Motive system here. So you can literally just start typing in your driver's name and it'll drop down. If you get your cards activated and actually start using them, then you can literally come back over here to your dashboard under the cards and see like your total weekly spend, how much you've actually saved, fuel volume. You can look back over different periods, 7 days, 14 days, 30 days. And then you can go down here and check out each card holder, how often they're using it, how much, and then how much they've saved from, you know, various discounts. So pretty awesome. The other thing that's really cool is in-network and out-of-network. So where's your spending going? Like, are you getting good discounts or not? And it's something you could dig in deeper to and strategize your spending. You know, go over that with your drivers and, you know, just really try to maximize what you're saving. All right. You might also wonder, why is the truck insurance guy talking about fuel cards? Well, I have a trucking company and this is something we'll be using. The other thing is, as you grow, right, risk management and business practices in regard to risk management becomes an important thing with insurance companies. So like, how do you handle your finances in the company? Well, this is good for risk management, okay? Because you've got a very solid dashboard that you can go and see who's spending what, set limitations, all of that. Distributing cards is really easy, and then having just 1 or 2 cards, you know, you don't have to have a book of cards to hand out to every driver if that's, you know, how you're going to operate. So having clear and concise like standard operating procedures is really important when you're talking about directors and owners, or directors and officers liability and employee dishonesty coverage. All right, this type of thing helps out big time with that. Just something to consider down the road as you're growing, or if you're already there and you're wondering like, what do I do? That's something that we can always help with. We do all this free consulting. Just schedule calls with us. We'll go over it with you, answer any questions you got about it. We love to just be a good resource for everything. Yes, we sell insurance, and that's our main gig, our daily. Leave comments below, good or bad. Like I said, I want the feedback. So far, what I've heard about the Motive card is pretty good, right? You can also email us. Email is in the description. Check out all of our other links in the description too. We're gonna do more and more of these videos around our affiliate partners and the vendors that we know that have made our existing clients successful in trucking. A lot of what you do comes down to who you partner with, okay? It's not about just your work, but the work that others do for you, right? Every business owner should know that. But thanks guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and more to come, so stay tuned. Thank you.